Hello everybody, this is Monica Gary. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to make some black bean burgers. You ready? Let's get to it. Hey you guys, let's make some homemade black bean burgers. So first I'm going to start with one can of organic black beans, and we're going to mash those up. Now I normally don't eat it in a burger like on a bun, but this time I'm going to eat it on a bun and show you how to make it. Very simple. Normally I would just make this up, do meatballs, or put it in a wrap. But this time I'm officially do it in the bun. Alright, so I added some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, nutritional yeast, and what else I add? Pepper. So you can add what you want to add. Make sure as you add, you kind of taste it to see is it seasoned how you like it. But this is really easy to do. A great thing you can prep ahead of time. Put the patties in the freezer, and you can save it for later. This is my nutritional yeast. So these are very easy to make. So there are different ways you can make black bean burgers, but I like to keep it practical and simple. So alright, so I'm just going to mix it up to make sure it's well blended. As you see, then I'm going to add my onions, red pepper, and yellow pepper. I'll dash those up, and I'm going to mix that up in here as well. So this is something you can do very easy, very simple. Maybe you want a meatless meal. This is something you can do yourself. You don't have to buy it at the store. And last but not least, second to last, I'm going to add some breadcrumbs. And one more thing I want to add to this as well. I add the breadcrumbs, and I'm going to add some tomato paste. I decided to add just a scoop of tomato paste. And I'm going to blend it up really well. This is going to pretty much be it before I make my patties up. So I'll mix that up to make sure it's good. And make sure you still kind of taste it a little bit throughout to see is it seasoned how you like it. And I would call this more like it will look more like a smash black bean burger. So it's not real big, not real heavy at all. Very light. For me, I say it's very lightweight, and I like it that way as well. So now with clean hands, I'm going to form it into my patties. So as you see, I got me a scoop, and I'm just going to form it into a patty how you would normally do any kind of burger that you would eat. And I'm going to place it in my pan, in my actual glass pan, and I'm going to pop it in the freezer for a few minutes because I had something else to do. So before I cook it, I'm just going to pop it in the freezer for a few minutes. As you see, it's thin, it's not real big. So I want to keep it like that, which is great for me. All right. So this is very easy to do, something you can prep ahead of time. You can pull out the freezer or the fridge anytime you want a burger. But I want to show you guys how simple it is to make. All right, so I'm going to make these up. Then I'm going to put them in the freezer. Then I'm going to show you how I just prepare my burger. Okay, so this is something that's still like a healthier option you can do every now and then. If you want a plant-based burger and you don't want to buy it at the store. So I pop it in the freezer, and this is it. I put oil in my pan. Put it on there. Once that's done, I toasted my bread. And I'm going to keep it simple. Mustard, ketchup, tomatoes, pickles, and spinach. And I'm done. So this is all I put on there. You can use whatever toppings you like. Remember, customize it the way you like for your taste buds. Some people will put cheese. I didn't want any cheese on here right now. So I'm just keeping it very simple. So I'm going to add the mustard and the ketchup. And I'm going to add my patty. As you see, it's done. And I'm going to add pickles. I had some pickle spears, so I just diced them up. Pickles. I had some cherry tomatoes, so I diced those up because that's what I had to put on here. And some spinach, and we are done. And we're going to eat. So I put my pickles on there and my tomatoes. So, like I said, this is really simple and easy. It's lightweight, and I think you will enjoy it. So explore. If you haven't tried a black bean burger, make your own. Have fun. Customize, enjoy in the kitchen. See what you can come up with. All right. So I'm going to add my spinach, and we're done. And I'm going to enjoy. So y'all remember, small steps equals big change. What step can you take? Do something simple. Do something you can do consistently, and see what happens. All right. So now we're going to see how does this taste. Let's go. All right. So y'all enjoy. Y'all have a great day. And hope y'all try this recipe. And let me know how you like it. See you later. Small steps.